Hi guys, we're back with another video, and today, I already know what much we're doing. My cousin from Florida's coming up tomorrow for 3 whole days. 3 whole days, I think. No, more than 3 whole days. That's because you gotta get to the airport and stuff. So physically, he'll still be in Delaware. So, if you know what I mean, I don't know what I mean. So I get that. So yeah. So you're also probably wondering why I'm out in this road right here. Well, I just want to walk down the road because it's not really something I do. I'm probably just going to walk to that speed bump over there and walk back for something to do. I already know what to do in this vlog. So yeah, guys, I think we actually might do a fort challenge maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tonight. Probably tonight because tomorrow and the rest of the 3 days we're going to be very busy with my cousin from Florida, so yeah. Which sucks that it's not sunny out, cause if it feels like summer, I would be so happy. Love summer. Who doesn't like summer? If you don't like summer, comment down below if you don't like summer. I mean, I like summer, but I respect your opinion. Like, I'm not like saying, ha, you don't like summer? Are you good, bro? Like, are you good, bro? If you don't like summer, are you good, bro? But yeah, I already know what we're doing today. It's just like, maybe we could just do a little Nerf for today. I don't know. Maybe I could drive my tractor. We don't. Let's just see what we can do in the walk today. So I'll see you guys. Oh my god. I'll see you guys. Guys, I want to make sure you like the video. I'm going to give you guys a few seconds to like the video. Okay, I think you guys are good. Okay, guys. So I just snapped. We're back. And let's get on the computer, man. I love how it looks like. It's like this. Like, wow. Let me put it out real quick. Oh my god. That's, oh my god. Okay. I got copyright on some of my videos, so yeah, because like I did the try not to laugh challenge and cool vlog, which was a song from Imagine Dragons, so yeah, I got copyrighted for that. Yes, yeah, so I was copyrighted. So why am I talking about copyright, bro? So yeah, guys, I guess what I'm gonna do on here is just try and get an app. Got Supreme right there. Supreme. And plus I like ocean, so I just got one with the ocean in the background. So that looks pretty lit, right guys? So yeah, let's go to Chrome Web Store. Got the kind of sec right there. Alright, Chrome. Okay, it says right here. Guess it says. Yay. Mix music online. So I guess we're just gonna let's type it. I wonder. We read that book. So I'm about to say wonder again. Like, what am I doing? So let's go for what am I? I need to like video maker. Okay, it's free. Okay, let's go check it out. I'll see you guys when I'm checking it out. Okay guys, so back. I'm checking this out. I'm just gonna see it open. So yeah, it's pretty lit, I guess. Please wait. I'm gonna just see, cause if this is the way that I can do it, like this might be the way I can do it. Can like we add a layer. Add a layer. Layer 1. Okay, I'm confused on. Okay, I'm just gonna. Right. Yo, this is creepy. This is creepy. Well, I'll see you guys. If you guys like this video, please drop a like. If you guys haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Drop a like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on my notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And comment what that noise was, because I was just doing a video on the computer. Like, I was recording on the computer. I don't know if my phone was making it because, like, the technology was close. So, yeah. And, guys, shout out to Savage Andrew and shout out to Spiffy there. And go check out Vinar's channel. He's pretty cool videos. And go check out Brazy Chief. Subscribe to her. I looked on her channel and she didn't have any content. She might have deleted her first video. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah, guys, if we get 5 likes on this video, we will do a Nerf war. And guys, make sure to stay lit every day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.